Hey, fitness fam. Did you know that glutes can produce up to 40% more power than quads during explosive movements? Crazy, right? But when it comes to strength and aesthetics, which muscle group truly reigns supreme? Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate muscle showdown, glutes versus quads. So why does this debate matter? Well, both the glutes and quads are crucial for building strength and achieving that strong sculpted physique. But there's always been a heated discussion among fitness enthusiasts about which one deserves more attention. Are the glutes responsible for that coveted booty lift more vital? Or are the quads essential for powerful leg drive the real MVPs? Let's break it down. First off, there's a common misconception that glutes are just for looks. Sure, they help shape that eye-catching posterior, but glutes are also powerhouses in athletic performance. They provide stability and power in exercises like squats and deadlifts. On the flip side, quads often get labeled as mere workhorses, primarily for knee extension and straightening. But believe me, they're equally crucial for overall athletic ability. These muscle groups in your fitness routine? Should you go all in on glute building or focus more on quad strength? The answer isn't always straightforward. It often boils down to personal goals and preferences. By understanding what each muscle group brings to the table, you can make more informed training decisions. Let's bust a myth. People often claim the glutes are the largest muscle group in the body. While they're significant, the quads are actually larger, consisting of 4 muscle heads that work together for knee movement. This just goes to show how our misconceptions can misguide our training efforts. When we think about athletic performance, both glutes and quads play pivotal roles. Glutes are key in activities like sprinting, providing the explosive power needed to propel forward. In contrast, quads shine in endurance activities like cycling, supplying the strength required for sustained knee movement. By recognizing these unique roles, you can tailor your workouts to meet specific fitness goals, whether it's building speed, increasing endurance, or getting stronger overall. But here's a plot twist. Research suggests that strong quads are essential for reducing knee injury risks, especially in high-impact sports like running and jumping. This revelation challenges the assumption that glutes are always the priority and highlights the vital role quads play in maintaining overall athletic health. So which muscle group is the true champion? The answer is neither. Both glutes and quads are indispensable for a balanced and effective fitness routine. Prioritizing one over the other can lead to imbalances and decreased performance. By training them in harmony, you achieve greater overall strength, improved athletic performance, and a balanced physique. And that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, fitness is all about balance and harmony. Don't neglect those glutes, but don't forget about your quads either. Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you're hungry for more muscle training tips, check out our video on leg day workouts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.